Hi, my name is Rachel Griesaber, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. Today we are going to clean a glass top stove. Here are our key players. First, we have our limited edition EnviroCloth, the size of a kitchen cloth, our Spearnet stainless steel ball, and our cleaning paste. We want to make sure to use a lot of water with the Spearnet because it can scratch being a stainless steel ball. First and foremost, we're going to wipe up the stovetop with a wet EnviroCloth. This is damp and not dripping with warm water. The EnviroCloth will take up a whole lot, but you can see here that I've still got some burned on stuff from a pot from earlier that's going to be really hard to get off, and the EnviroCloth can't quite get it all by itself. Next, you want to get that Spearnet nice and wet, and I'm going to just get that little piece there with just the Spearnet and water. That took it off really nicely, but the rest of it's going to need the cleaning paste. Wipe that really good. The dry paste comes off very nicely with a little bit of water on a sponge or the Spearnet, whatever you want to use, and just lightly scrub the surface. You're really not putting a lot of effort into this. You're just lightly scrubbing your surface. Make sure you use lots of water. Again, you saw up close those Spearnet pieces are actually stainless steel and will scratch if you don't use a lot of water. But use a lot of water with the cleaning paste and it comes right up. Last but not least, take your wet EnviroCloth, flip it over to a clean side, and wipe away the cleaning paste. It is so easy to get this really tough to clean spot cleaned up really quickly with Norwex. If you want, take your kitchen towel, dry it off when you're done, and it'll look beautiful and shining. Here's another quick look at the before of our stovetop. And this is what it looks like beautifully clean. Using just your EnviroCloth, cleaning paste, and your Spearnet.